Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into topic, how to download Capcut on your laptop. If you've ever tried Capcut on your mobile or a big fan of Capcut application, you might have thought you needed an emulator on laptop to run it like a mobile app. But guess what? You don't need one at all. In this video, I'll show you two different methods to download Capcut on your laptop or PC. So grab your laptop and let's get started. All right, let's dive into the first method, downloading Capcut via the Windows Store. This is the easiest way to get Capcut if you're using a Windows laptop. Let's break it down step by step. First, open the Microsoft Store on your laptop. You can find it by searching for Microsoft Store in the Start menu or by clicking the icon on your taskbar. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, click on the search bar at the top right corner and type in Capcut. Hit enter, and you should see the Capcut app pop up in the search results. Click on the Capcut app from the search results and then hit the Get or Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This process usually takes just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Capcut directly from the Microsoft Store or by searching for it in your Start menu. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Capcut using the Windows Store. Now, let's move on to the second method, downloading Capcut directly from the official Capcut website. This method is great if you prefer downloading apps directly from the source. Open your favorite browser and head over to the official Capcut website. You can find it by searching Capcut or typing in their URL directly, usually something like capcut.com. On the Capcut homepage, look for the Download section. After clicking the Download button, the installer file will begin downloading to your laptop. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This usually involves accepting the terms and conditions and choosing where to install the app. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Capcut from your desktop or Start menu. And there you go. You've successfully downloaded Capcut from the official website. And that's it. Now that you have Capcut installed, it's time to start creating some awesome videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. And hey, leave a comment below telling me what kind of videos you plan to edit with Capcut. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching.